Alright, remember I messed up on the problem. I didn't completely mess up because I was still able to get to the right answer, but I took the long way about. So I'm going to show you a better way, the right way, all at one time. So I'm going to put this group together and I'm going to see what's in common. So 18 breaks down to 2 times 3 times 3 and 2 x's minus 5 times 2 times 3 and an x. So I'm going to find what I have in common. I have a 2, a 3, and an x. A 2, a 3, and an x. So 2 times 3 is 6, and I have an x. So my greatest common factor is 6x. And remember, I kind of like to write it out because I always can see what's left over. So I mark out what my greatest common factor was, what I pulled out to leave me 3x. Bring down your minus sign. I take out my greatest common factor because I'm pulling that out. I'm factoring it out. And what do I have left over? 5. Now let's look at the next set. What do these have in common? 3x and a 5? Nothing. When they don't have anything in common, we just use 1. Now I'm going to use a negative 1. And what happens here is that when I factor out a negative 1, remember that this is a 3 and this is a positive 5. When I factor out the negative 1, I'm taking out this negative that I have right here to just leave me a positive 3x. And when I take out a negative 1 from a positive 5, it really leaves me a negative 5. Always keep in mind when you're thinking about this is that you have a group here and you have a group here, and eventually you need the same thing in both groups. So if you're not sure about the sign, always take a look at the other group. Well, what do the two groups have in common? We've already seen 3x minus 5. Put it in parentheses. That's my greatest common factor. And anytime you're taking out the greatest common factor, you always put another parentheses. I took this out. What does it leave me? 6x. I take this out. And what does it leave me? Minus 1. And remember, you can always check by using the box method. And I'm going to do it real fast. And this gives me 3x minus 5 and 6x minus 1, 18x squared. I'm going kind of fast, but you should know how to do this. A negative 3x, a negative 30x, and a positive 5. So do I have all of that? I sure do. 18x squared and 18x squared. A negative 3x and a negative 3x. A negative 30x and a negative 30x. A positive 5 and a positive 5. So my answer is correct.